If you do everything and you don't use a sunscreen, I really don't know what you are doing. Even though, yeah, you still work under the sun. Hi, lovelies. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Mesoma Stelize. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. All those good stuff. So today, yeah, long time no talking head video. I know. And yeah, check out my other vlogs and other videos, please. So for today, we're talking about skincare. Yes, skincare products, and I'll be telling you skincare products to use in 2025 that is less than 20k. I know that sounds impossible. I know, but we're focusing on my skincare, the one I use. So I'm trying to plug you guys in if you're on a budget but you also want to glow. I mean, see my skin. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. So moving on, we'll be dividing it into two segment, face and body care. So for my face care, we'll be starting off strong with a face wash. But I use a face scrub because my bar soap does the job for the face wash, so I really don't prioritize the face wash. So I use the tea tree facial scrub. Yeah, this is it. I used it, and when I got it, it was 1,200. Now it is 2,500 naira. But for the tea tree facial cleanser, the face wash, that's between 2,000 to 2,500. Same price as the facial scrub. But I prefer using the facial scrub because it's an exfoliator. So I use this once a week, and I use my normal soap on the other days. I don't have a special facial wash. Like I said, I'm focusing on my skincare product. I know dermatologists and other people recommend facial cleanser, but like we said, we're on a budget here, so we can't afford to get every other thing. So the second thing on the list is the Dr. Rachel's vitamin C serum. So I use that because it's brightening and it helps with hydrating my skin, my face. So I use that. I don't have it here, so I'll watch a picture of what it looks like. So you can check that out. Also, Dr. Rachel has this moisturizing face serum. I don't use it, but people recommend it. So I'm focusing on the one I use. The Dr. Rachel's vitamin C face serum. It's between 3,000 to it's between 2,800 to 3,000 naira. So that's what we're adding to the list. So first thing on the list is the tea tree facial scrub. Secondly is the Dr. Rachel's vitamin C serum. So moving on, the next thing is your sunscreen. If you do everything and you don't use your sunscreen, I really don't know what you are doing. Even though, yeah, you still work under the sun. If you don't have a car, man, you need your sunscreen. You need to be using it often. So the sunscreen I'll be recommending that is very good, but it's also quite affordable is the Gavia sunblock. I would attach a picture to the screen. So for the Gavia sunblock is within 3,500 naira to 4,000 naira in 2025. So we'll focus on that. It's affordable and also gets the job done. So that's for your face product. So moving on to the body product. This is the one I actually quite prioritize because I think my face is part of my body. I really don't do special stuff for my face a lot, even though most people disagree with me. But I mean, we're talking about the stuff I use, not what every other person thinks, right? Yeah, right. So for my body, first things first is the Nivea Radiant and Beauty. I was using the Nivea 5 in 1, but I decided to switch to this, and this is actually more brightening. I was I was not this color, this shade before. It actually brought out my shade more. I would actually recommend this over the 5 in 1. Just that this is not that moisturizing or hydrating. It's not that hydrating. It gets the job done, but you need to pair it with a body oil to actually give you that hydrating feeling you need. But I'm recommending the Nivea Radiant and Beauty Even Glow, and it has SPF 15. So it it does the job of sun protection, but you can also use your sunscreen on your body. So the next thing, and this goes for 5,000 naira. This goes for 5,000 naira. It's 400 ml, so it will last you for a couple of months, and it's just 5,000 naira. So the next thing for my body is the Kuson's baby oil. I use the pink. I It depends on the one that's available in the store. I use the blue or the pink. And this is very, very light. I love this a lot because it's light. I was using Pears baby oil, but that's quite it's kind of thick for me. So I lean towards this more because it's light and it's very, very good on the skin. So this Kuson's baby oil is just 2,000 naira. So the next thing on our list is a body soap. I use the Hawaii papaya. Hawaii has like three different soap, but I lean towards this because it helps with brightening and softening the skin. I'm sure I've been using it for like AA plus now, and I can attest to how good it is. So that is for my body and this goes for 1,500. One is and it's big. It's actually big. Let me show you guys how big it is. It's this big, so it will last you for um a month. Yeah, 4 weeks. It actually lasts for 4 weeks. So that's for the body. And the last thing on the list is an African net sponge. You need something to actually scrub your body very well, since you are not going to be using an exfoliator for your body. So you need to use the African net sponge. That one goes for 1,000 naira. But you have to, like I said, use it very well. So that's all the products I use and I'm recommending. And the last thing on the list for the product I use is water. Drink plenty water, people. I know most people say when I drink water, it just makes me pee more. It doesn't work for my skin. But water helps you with that clear skin you need. I'm speaking from experience. I drink a lot of water and I can see it helps me with my skin and I can attest to it. So this is an affordable skincare routine that I use. I'm talking from the ones I use. It's not a full body care routine. So there are plenty of other things you need to add to your routine if you're looking to build your skincare routine step by step. There is the toner, there is the moisturizer, there is a lot of other stuff. There's like 3 different serums, there is niacinamide, there is like a lot of things you need. But I don't have any skin concern specifically that I'm treating. For people that have acne or black spots, you can speak to a dermatologist and lean towards more options. But I don't have a specific skin concern, and my skin is a combination skin type. So I I'm not too oily, I'm not too dry. I have a normal skin. So I'm not focused or treating a particular skin concern. So these are normal stuff that I use that work for me. I gave you the prices of everything and we will tally it, and the total is 19,500 naira. So you see, you have 500 naira change remaining. You can use that one to buy you a lip balm. I use the um Ceramax lip balm. I got that for 500 naira. That for your lips, so your lip will be moisturized too. Because you cannot do your whole body and your lip will be feeling dry. Nah, we're not doing that here. So yeah, that's all for the affordable skincare products that you can get for yourself in 2025/2026. And hopefully we'll feel good, smell good, and look good. Thank you very much. And that's all I have to say. So remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and come back next week for another video. Thank you guys. I love you.